want to give you guys a play here that I am calling, and I did call for a swing trade here on the Discord, and here is why I'm calling this. So the symbol is ABVE. They just had news today that Palm Global partners with Abu Dhabi's Promax United to transform global finance, creating the world's largest portfolio of real-world asset-backed investment products, fixed income funds, and stablecoins. So they're really going for it all. But here's why I'm going for it. So look where it ended at here. I'm just doing the 10-minute, but it's at the 0. You see a small little non-existent volume candle here, but I like it because it died off news, and it was at here at one point 257, and it went all the way to 288. It's at 116. You guys, wait for it to get to this EMA 20 right here. This is my blue line. It hits here at 130 is your confirmation. You ride that. Do not sell it the same day, and you ride that back to 250, or you can ride it to 245, which I'm probably going to be doing. But get into this play. I like this play a lot. I think this is a good swing trade. I'm giving you the Fibonacci. I'm giving you the trend on what you should be looking for when you're approaching the EMA 20. Another strategy that you can use, an EMA 20 strategy, based on trend of volume and price action. That's where you want to see some higher highs and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs. You want to be able to look for those trends and be able to identify it. So if I'm looking, so give me an example right here. I see this is a low, high, then it goes back, it goes to consolidation, high, low. Look at that. If I'm just looking at that, it had a high, and then it had a lower high, followed by another lower high, followed by another lower high, and then it kind of dipped down, and then it's kind of right here, I'd maybe say, but another lower high. Then there's your low. Not really a lower low, but kind of around the same. Then you have a lower low here, lower low here. So it showed you which trend, or it showed you the trend change on it. So that's significant here. So you want to look for the almost the opposite of that. So if you could see it here, it had its high, consolidated, higher high, higher high. But then you're not counting the wick here. We're just going to count the body. Another higher high, consolidated, went down, lower high, or higher low, and then it, bam, you can see it on the trend change, and you can use this strategy for an EMA 20 strategy based on trend to find good ends and outs. You can almost use an EMA 20, almost kind of like a VWAP almost. It's not, obviously not exactly like that, but I like using that when I'm definitely eyeballing these stocks here on what I can see. I like this one, ABVE. They had news. The news, they're like, oh, well, it's cool news, right? The largest portfolio, that's cool news. But once other news, comes right after that with maybe, let's just say, certain revenue streams and, concrete things, this stock here, ABVE, will do well. Come to the Discord. Like I said today, I went 10 for 11. The day before, I think I went 3 for 3 or 4 for 4. I'm hitting plays. I'm very transparent on how I'm doing it, and I want to teach. Come on over. I want to teach. We have a good foundation, a good Christian basis over here. We have a lot of good guys. We laugh a lot. We're very funny on the chat. We keep it light. We learn. It's $10.99, and you can learn good strategies that I could teach you to be profitable. Once you come on, I can show you how profitable we are over here. So some people are kind of incredulous when they think, well, there's so many stock trading discords. How do I know that you'll be one that I would like to go to? Or how do I know you're profitable? Well, we show you, and I show you, and I show you what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. So yeah, come on over to the Discord. $10.99. Shout out to Sasquatch, putting in a lot of work, and just remember, you don't want to keep working your whole life and busting your tail. You want to be able to make a good supplemental income as of this, to be able to just take some weight off the chest. But come on over, ABVE, and I'll see you guys.